Stop, look at your coins, right now. Most people think valuable coins look obvious, but that's not true. Some Elizabeth II coins look completely normal. No damage, no shine, no warning. But inside them, there are minting mistakes. And those mistakes are worth real money. In today's market, some of these coins sell for thousands. Let's start. Number 6. 1969 Canadian dollar. Looks normal, but it's not. This coin was struck on the wrong metal. A 50-cent silver planchette. Now, listen carefully. Off-metal errors are extremely rare today because modern grading systems are stricter. Most are never released. So when one survives, collectors compete for it. Why is it valuable? Because everything is wrong. Weight, metal, production standard. That makes it a true mint error. Updated market value. $4,000, $8,000 plus. Number 5. 1979 Canadian cent. At first glance, nothing special, but something is inside it. Another strike. 2 impressions. On one coin, this is a multiple strike error. Now here's why collectors care. Because modern error collecting is about visibility. If you can see it clearly, it becomes more valuable. This one is obvious. You don't need tools, you just need eyes. Updated value. $3,500, $6,000. Number 4. Now this is unusual. Flip the coin, then flip it again. Same side, 2 heads, no reverse. This is a double obverse error. It happens when mint dies are installed incorrectly. Now here's the key point. Modern collectors don't just collect rarity, they collect impossible objects, and this is one of them. Updated value. $500, $1,200. Number 3. 1970 Manitoba dollar, but not silver, gold. This is an off-metal strike, a wrong planchette error. Now here's why this matters. Gold blanks are extremely controlled. They are not used randomly. So this type of mistake is extremely rare. Most known examples are heavily documented. Updated value. $1,500, $3,000 plus. Number 2. This is serious. 1993 Canadian quarter. Looks normal, but it's not. 2 different designs, forced together. This is a mule error. Now here's why this is important. Mules are not simple mistakes. They are system failures. Wrong dies. Wrong pairing. Still released. That makes them extremely desirable. Updated market value. $7,000, $15,000 plus. Number 1. This is the rarest type. 1969 Canadian quarter. But, underneath, there is another coin. A gold sovereign. 2 coins. One struck over another. This is called an overstrike. Now listen, this requires multiple failures. Wrong coin in press, wrong metal, no detection, escape from mint. That's why these are extremely rare, sometimes even unique. Updated value range. $3,000, $6,000 plus. Now, you know. Most people will never notice these coins. They will spend them without thinking. But now, you know what to look for, because in coin collecting, the smallest mistake can be the biggest value.